How to log in Triangle MasterCard online account. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and in today's video, I am thrilled to demonstrate you to the simple and easy process of logging into your MasterCard account with Triangle. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it and get started. First and foremost, all you need to do is open up your web browser, and once your web browser is opened, navigate to the address bar section over here and type in the official website for the Triangle MasterCard, which is mastercard.triangle.com, and hit enter. After entering the web address, and here you will be redirected to the official website. And to proceed with logging into your account, locate and click on the sign in button situated at the top right corner of the web page. This action will then take you to the login portal. In the login portal, you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. Simply input both of these credentials and then click on the sign in button. And in case if you don't remember your credentials, you can simply click on forgot username or forgot password in order to reset your account. After you enter all your credentials correctly, you can click on the sign in option to log into your account, and once you have gained access to your account, you can effortlessly navigate to the credit cards option and take advantage of the various services offered by your Triangle MasterCard. As you can see, logging into your MasterCard account with the Triangle is an incredibly straightforward and user-friendly process. If you found this video helpful and informative, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. Additionally, don't forget to ring that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for tuning in and watching, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video.